Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with me, Sinead, aka Siin Ciity, and today I've got myself a cute little hairstyle. African Beauty basically uploaded the how to look on this. If you don't know about her, go check her out. Her page is fire, her hairstyles are dope, especially if you're basically trying to jump from processed relaxed hair into the natural hair game. Like, she literally gives you styles after styles all the time. I love watching her, even if I'm not always gonna fulfill everything that she does. I just love watching her. Her personality is really cute. She's super dope, super funny, and she's right when she says that beauty gang is lit, because it really is. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So this is basically why I'm looking hella cute with my cute little hairstyle today. And as you can see, I also did like a zigzagged but like straight, zigzag straight parting. She basically has all the details on how to create the look, what you'll need for it. So if you are feeling this look, then literally click the link in the bio and that will be straight to her page for where she shows you how to complete it and get this look. And instantly I was like, love it, I'm going to try that on myself right now. And then I thought, because my hair looks really cute, I might as well go in and do a little bit of filming. So this is pretty much where we are today. So I have been asked before basically how I kind of apply my lashes, and this is what this video actually is. It's basically a lash 101, like little tips and tricks for how to get like really good easy application of your eyelashes when doing so. I just went ahead and basically added on some brows because I was browless before. So now I'm going to be applying my lashes. So this is basically what you will need to how I kind of do it. So first and foremost, you're going to need your trusty set of lashes. So the lashes that I'm using are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. I don't know if my camera wants to focus or not. Yeah, so they're basically, I've used them before, that's why they're both stuck together. And then you're going to need a little compact mirror case, so something you can look into while you're doing it. You'll need tweezers and you'll need mascara. So my best friend mascara is Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Love it. So let's jump right into the video. So first and foremost, you're going to basically need to and want to apply a nice, I don't know why I'm looking for things. You're going to want to and need to apply a nice little even layer of mascara on your lashes. So you might as well pretty much get set up in the whole mindset of just using your compact from now. Just applying one easy layer. And it really does vary. Like, a lot of people like to put on mascara afterwards, but I think it's just really easy if you add on mascara before, because it just really helps work them in together. So I add quite like a nice even coat all over the top layer. Top. I don't know what's wrong with me today. This video basically was like lastminute.com, so please just ignore the ums and ahs and everything else that's coming in between. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I would always suggest, if this isn't a pair of lashes that you've used before. Okay, hold up. I would always recommend that if you haven't used your lashes before, to make sure that you take them out, put them on your eye, measure them. If you need to chop off a little bit at the ends or in the corners, then do so. But because I've used these before, I'm good to just basically go straight in. You want the glue to basically sit on there for a little while so it becomes tacky, and in it becoming tacky, at that stage, that's basically the best time to essentially apply them to your eyes, because they will stay. But it is also about the angle of which you do so, to kind of get them on and make sure that they kind of blend in with your lash line. Another little tip actually in saying, just because I wasn't using a fresh pair of lashes, whenever you get your lashes on the band, like stuck like that for example, you want to get your finger and just pull them down so that it comes down like that. You never want to drag them from one corner to the other corner, because that will just basically mess them up, and then you may obviously get the band go funky and it just not sit. You also want a really good lash with a really good lash band. I think generally the thinner and more flexible the better than having like a really thick band, because that's going to annoy you. Like, trust me, I've had really like cheap lashes before, and the thick band, like, you feel it on your eye and it's just really horrible and really irritating for the whole time. So you kind of want a band that's thinnish, and obviously just a really good and flexible. And then if it again is a new pair of lashes that you're using, you just want to basically rub them like this just to get the shape of your lashes so they're not so stiff, basically. For some reason this glue is really gluey. You also want a really good lash glue. That's another thing as well. Like at the moment I'm just kind of using and have been using the little ones that come with the lashes, but you do really want like a really good lash glue, because that really is like the making and breaking of the lash. If the lash glue isn't strong, then it's not gonna obviously hold them onto your eyes. But you can also get black lash glue as well. But again, with black lash glue, it's just one of those ones where if you're basically trying to do like a natural look, or you're trying to do a look without eyeliner, you maybe don't want to go for the black always. You want probably something that's going to dry clear, just because there's no eyeliner going on, so it might obviously just give it away that you've got a lash on. Okay, so I'm hoping this will work, because this glue, like I was all promoting like having good lash glue, but this glue is like the end of the glue, so it's like not greatest of glues. So I'm going to try getting really close with you guys now, so you can kind of see what I'm going to do. Ooh. So you want to basically get your compact mirror, and you want to hold it down. In holding it down, you want to look down. In looking down, you basically tilt, if you need to tilt your head like a little bit, then tilt your head to do so. But you want to look down, and then essentially in looking down, you're going to try and get your eyelash onto your lash band as close as possible. So I think these should be tacky, because they were kind of tacky anyway, to be honest, because the glue was like hella old. The lash, you want to pick it up with your tweezers. In picking it up with your tweezers, you want to basically place the tweezers in the middle of the lash, and then you basically kind of want it not touching the end, but like a little bit of a gap between the actual lash band and the lashes. And then you're just going to basically hold them with your thumb and your finger, and you're going to basically kind of slot it in behind your eyelash whilst holding your compact mirror and looking down. And when you basically go to apply it, you're going to like push the middle down, and then you can work the edges afterwards, but you just want the middle to be down first. So it down, and then you're going to grab the other corner and you're just going to push it down. And then you're going to grab the other end and just basically push it down. And then you can get the back of your tweezers and just push it so it's like more touching the lash line. Any bits that you can see that aren't touching your skin, you're going to push it down. And the reason for this method is that your lashes look a little bit more natural when they're on. They also go up, because a lot of the time, this was me back in the day, girl. I don't know if this was anybody else, but this was me back in the day, where I put my lashes on and basically put them on like this, and then they basically would be doing a whole this. You don't want your lashes to do this, you want your lashes to do that. So by applying them in the steps that we've just done, they're always going to be like that. Where if you basically try and angle it and angle them on straight, they're just going to come out like this, and it will just mess up your eye shape, the eye makeup that you've got going on, and just the whole ability of it supposed to be looking natural, because your eyelashes don't grow out like that. And then any bits that you just need to push, and you can just push. And what I always like to do as well afterwards is just kind of squeeze to make sure that they're on. And then there you go. And then we're just going to go in with the other one as well. One always goes on amazing, by the way. You've always got one that goes on like effortlessly and you don't have to do very much to it. And then the other one's like the devil in disguise. Leaving a little gap in between, and then it's in the center, and then we're just going to apply it onto the eye. So again, compact mirror here, looking down, head back if you need to. And then you're going to just get the other side and just push it behind. And then you're going to get the front and just push it in front. And then you're going to get the back of the tweezers, and then you'll just shimmy down any bits basically that aren't on the band. And then you just flip between. And then there you go. So I hope you like this video. I hope there's something that you might have learned from this video, whether it's like a little step or a little trick. Please let me know if there's anything that you like me else to film, like whether it's like brows 101, like how to apply like lipstick, whatever it might be. Like, let me know. It's all really good ideas. And yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Compact mirror, and you basically want to look down, so you want to hold it down here, and then holding it down you want to look down, and then in looking down your eye is like slanted down, and then you basically want to put the lash behind your eye, lash behind your gosh, so you want to I think I need actual glue, not the real motherfucking glue, because this one I just feel like it is just. Let's try one more time. Well, I'll stop to the 4.